Hi, in this video, I'm going to take you through step-by-step process to troubleshoot LinkedIn app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, if you are encountering issues with your LinkedIn app, maybe the app can't open, it is too slow, it keeps on crashing, or you can't navigate through, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, we need to access the app info page. To do that, just long press on your app and then you should see app info. In case there is no app info, you should see a settings gear here or even the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access LinkedIn app info page. From here, you need to force stop the app. If this is active, tap on force stop and then go to clear data and clear cache here. So for this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Once you have cleared the cache data, you need to restart your smartphone and open your LinkedIn app. And in most cases, this works 100%. However, should you still encounter a challenge, come back to app info page and this time around, go to clear all data and then OK. So here you'll be logged out and you'll need to log in afresh. At this point, everything should be okay, but should you still have or face a challenge, then you need to check for any update for your app. And for this, you can do so either through Google Play Store or App Store. So for my case, I'm on Android. I'll go to Play Store and find out if you have an update, then update your app to the latest version. So luckily, I don't have an update, which means I have the latest version of LinkedIn Community and Network app. At this point, now everything should be okay. But at this point, should you still have a challenge, maybe the app still crashes, then you need to uninstall the app and then install it afresh. So let me know which of these methods was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.